I don't think there is a race between India and China. China is, in any case, as far as the ballistic missile capability is concerned, is quite far ahead. India's integrated missile guided developments program has actually been a successful program. It has come up a long way, but it has got a lot of catch up to do with even China. While this relationship actually is in this format, like for example, we are not trying to play a arms race kind of a build up, but we are trying to create a deterrence capability and a defensive capability that is required for India. But if you look at the China, Pakistan, and Pakistan's own development of guided missile, ballistic missile development, you find the technologies have been transferred from some other country. So they are actually building up resources which are actually can amount to your question of getting into a missile race. Okay. So if you are saying China, India, Pakistan, you need to look at it differently between China and India, India and Pakistan and China. If you look at this particular triangle, you will find that China, India is more or less benign to some extent because of the differential in the capability between both the countries at this point in time. Whereas Pakistan is trying to play the catch up with India because Pakistan sees India as a threat. So therefore, you have a problem there. And the technology has come from maybe other countries to Pakistan. And so therefore, you find Pakistan in more of a competitive mode or a racial mode, a race mode to catch up than the other two countries. So you will have to look at this triangle a little differently, more bilaterally, and then have the relationship of technological transfer separately. You find two different things coming up as far as this threat is concerned, proliferation is concerned.